Hello geometry, here we are with another day in congruent triangles. Today you're going to be working on worksheet C. Make sure it is worksheet C and not A like we have done previously. So make sure you have the right one. It looks like this, doesn't look like the other one, brand newy. And then what you need to do first is you need to cut them all out. Boom, they're out, sweet. Then on the second page, similar to what we did before, you are going to glue these in wherever you see that they should go. So you're going to try and figure out, for example, do we have vertical angles? Do we have a reflexive property? Do we have any other of our definitions that apply here? And if so, where is it going to fit with our rules over here? Then here's kind of the big deal. When you figure out where all these things go, do not glue them in until your sub who has the answer key tells you if you're right or wrong, because nothing's worse than trying to pull out glued sheets. It doesn't work real well. So cut them out, glue them in wherever they are supposed to go. Notice I cut the boxes pretty close so they fit in there. Then here is the other part, and you have plenty of time, so don't panic on this and don't freak out because you got to write a little bit. You need a triangle congruency statement. That's like saying triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Then here's where it takes a little bit of thinking. You need to come up with all the congruent parts. And if you remember, you have 3 pair of sides and you have 3 pair of angles. So you're going to put a little bit of info in this box. So basically, what does all that stuff mean? It means something like this. Make a congruency statement, so triangle SRI was congruent to RST. And then you have to label your 3 angles with the angle symbols, state that they are congruent, and your 3 pair of sides, making sure you get the letters that are in the right order. So that is these 2 things right here, what you got to do for your congruency parts. This is your congruency statement, and they are going to be handwritten in those 2 boxes. So, recapping, what do you got? Cut them out. Figure out where they go. Glue them in, or put them in there. Get permission first that they're all correct, then glue them. Then you got to write the congruency statement. And then you got to come up with all the congruent parts. 3 pair of angles, 3 pair of sides. If you want to double check to make sure you're doing it right, ask the sub to see the answer key. They will show it to you. Thank you all for having a great day, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.